Hi friends, this is Navadit Aditya. Welcome to my channel in Aditya 83. Today we will be discussing the topic of rotational mechanics, that is moment of a force. It is a important topic from rotational mechanics. The problem is from H.C. Verma, page 197, problem number 40. The problem is saying a uniform meter stick of mass 200 gram is suspended from the ceiling through two vertical strings of equal lengths fixed at the ends. A small object of mass 20 grams is placed on the stick at a distance of 70 centimeter from the left end. Find the tensions in the two strings. Before starting the problem, one thing I want to remind you that the moment of a force is also called torque of a force. Okay. What is the problem saying? Suppose this is a meter rule. It is hanging from two equal ropes from the ceiling. It has a certain mass, that is 200 grams. This is the mass of stick, and another mass of 20 gram is hanging from it. This is the mass of object. Now they are asking in the question about the tensions in the two strings. First of all, we have to understand that the tension in the two strings will not be equal, because these two masses are distributed over this rod, over this stick. So the tensions in the two cases, in the two strings, can never be equal. So if I call it as T1 and this is T2, we have to remember that T1 is not equal to T2. Now, what are the other things we know from this? We can say 200 gram is equals to, we can convert it into SI system of units. It is equals to 2 Newton. We are taking, for all practical purposes, G equals to 10 meter per second square. And this 20 grams is 0.2 Newton. So these are the two forces acting downwards. It is being balanced by the two forces acting upwards. So we can write as sigma F equals to 0, because body is in equilibrium. From there we can get T1 plus T2, that is the net upward force, equals to 2 plus 0.2, that is net downward force. Hence T1 plus T2 equals to 2.2. This is our first equation. Now we have to get another equation for solving two unknowns. From where do we get it? We will now use the moment of force. Now this 200 gram or the 2 Newton is acting from the center of the rod, that is the center of the mass of this stick, that is at a 50 centimeter from here. This is a 100 centimeter scale, so the half of it is 50 centimeter. By the problem, this 20 gram is 70 centimeter from the left end, so this is 70. We call this end A and call this end B. We know that as the body is in equilibrium, not only sigma F equals to 0, the sum of the moments of all the forces about a point A is also 0. Okay, so what are the moment of these 2 Newton about this point A? We can write it as 2 into 50. What is the moment of this about point A? We can write at 0.2 into 70. This is the net downward moment about A. And what is the moment of this force T2 about A? We can write it as T2 into 100, because the total length of this stick is 100 centimeters. We have not taken into consideration in this moment equation this T1 force, because this T1 is itself passing through the end A, so the torque of this force about end A will 0. So what are the forces that make up the moment equation is this weight of the stick, weight of the object, and the tension, that is T2. From here we can write uh, 10 plus 1.4 equals to 10 T2, or T2 equals to 1.14 Newton. We should remember that this is our second equation. So T2 is 1.4. Now putting this value in equation 1, we can simply get T1 as 2.2 minus T2, that is 2.2 minus 1.14 equals to 1.06 Newton. So these are the two results that we have got for this stick, for this problem. We are doing it by the bodies in equilibrium. So for bodies in equilibrium, the net force is 0 and the net moment about any point is 0. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel and please like my video. In the following videos, I will be coming up with more important topics on rotational mechanics. So please keep watching. Till then, goodbye.